Welcome to the Graduate Record Examination GRE Vocabulary Word List for the Sure Success in UPSC, CSS, PMS, PCS and other competitive exams. It is the sixth video of the series. The first word is adl. Adl is a verb. The Urdu meaning of adl is confuse karna or confuse hona. However, the English meaning is to make somebody unable to think clearly or to confuse somebody. Sentence is being in love must have addled your brain. When somebody, so it hijacked your brain or it made you confused. The second word is adapt. Adapt is a noun. Look at the usage. Adapt at or in something. Must you focus on the prepositions that adapt carry the preposition add or in. Add in something or add doing something. Adapt doing something. Urdu meaning is mahir hona, hunarmand or karigar. English meaning is a person who is good at doing something that is quite difficult. Let's see the examples. He was an adept at concealing the truth. Means he was a very expert in the concealing the truth. Adeptly is an adverb. The meaning of adeptly as an adverb is in a way that shows skill at doing something that is quite difficult. Mean hunarmandi se kaam karna. Let's see the sentence of the adeptly. The director adeptly blends elements of the horror and drama with science fiction. Means he mixed the drama and the horror in the science fiction movie. The third word in the row is adhere. Adhere is a very common word, though it is a GRE word, but we mostly use it. It has two meanings. Uh, the first usage of adhere is adhere to something as a phrasal verb. So the meaning is to behave according to a particular law, a particular rule, a particular set of instructions, etc. To follow. The next meaning is to follow a particular set of belief or a fixed way of doing something. I repeat the meaning. To behave according to a particular law, particular rule or particular set of instruction, or to follow a particular set of beliefs or a fixed way of doing something. Sentences are she adheres to teaching methods as she learned over 30 years ago. Means she is still following that teaching methods. The second sentence is the nation should adhere to the safety guidelines for the COVID-19. Means if the nation want to survive, it should adhere to the safety guidelines of the COVID-19. The second meaning of the adhere is to stick firmly to something. Means चिपके रहना किसी के साथ, बंधे रहना, उसको छोड़ना नहीं. Sentences are clean the surface first or the paint will not adhere. Means if you will paint on the surface which is not clean, it will not adhere to the surface. The second sentence is there was oil adhering to the bird's feather. Means oil was adhered to the bird's feather. Next word is adjourn. Adjourn. Adjourn is the most commonly used words in newspapers as well, and it is particularly related to the law. It is a verb. It has also two meanings. The first meaning is its general meaning, and the second meaning is it is the usage of phrasal. Let's look at the first meaning. To stop a meeting or an official process, especially a trial for a period of time. मीन्स मुलतवी कर देना, ख़त्म कर देना. Sentences are the court adjourned for lunch. These sentences are self-explanatory. These sentences do not need any explanation. The second sentence is the chairman may adjourn the meeting at any time. The second usage of adjourn is as a phrasal verb. Let's look at the meaning as a phrasal verb. To go to an other place, especially in order to relax, means to leave to other place for the sake of enjoyment or for the sake of amusement. The example is, or the sentence is, I suggest we adjourn to the bar for a drink. The next word is adjunct. Adjunct is a noun. Urdu meaning is मुल्हिका चीज़ें, मुतल्लिका चीज़ें, मुल्हिकात और इजाफा. The meaning in English is a thing that is added or attached to something larger or more important. Example is the memory expansion cards are useful adjuncts to the computer. Means these are memory expansion cards are are external or attached things to the computer. The sixth word is adjutant. Adjutant is a noun. The first meaning of adjutant is an army officer who does office work and help other officers. Means askari muawin, naib or madadkar. However, it also comes as an adjutant general. It is used as an adjutant general in newspapers or in speaking language. The meaning is an officer of very high rank in the British US Army who is in charge of organization. Means adjutant general is an officer of a high rank in British or a US Army. The next word in the row is admonish. Admonish is a verb. It has also two meanings. The first usage is admonish somebody for something or admonish somebody for doing something. The meaning is sarjanish karna, hidayat karna, डांट डपट करना. To tell somebody firmly that you do not approve something that they have done. Example is she was admonished for chewing gum in the class. Means she was chewing gum in the class, so the teacher admonished her for this act. Means teacher did not allow this act in the class. Synonym is reprove. The second usage is admonish somebody to do something. Means to strongly advise somebody to do something. You are suggesting somebody to do this work. Let's see the example. A warning voice admonished him not to let this happen. Means something was happening, so there a voice came suddenly which admonished him that not let this thing happen. The next word is adore. Adore is also a verb. It also has two meanings. Look at the first meaning. Adore somebody. Adore somebody means to love somebody very much. Very simple meaning, does not need any explanation. Sentence is, it is obvious that she adores him. The second meaning is to like something very much. It is a person, means you are doing love with somebody and there is a thing, means you like something. Let's see the example. I simply adore this music. The next word is adroit. Adroit is an adjective. The meaning is skillful and clever, especially in dealing with people. Purtila, chalak, होशियार, शातिर and मुस्तैद. Example is an adroit negotiator. Synonym is skillful. The last but not the least word is adulation. Adulation is a noun. The meaning is admiration and praise, especially when this is greater than is necessary. Means you are doing a you are praising somebody, you are giving admiration to somebody which is not necessary. We use this word in our Urdu language as chaplus, or means you are trying to please somebody. So adulation means to admiration without necessary without necessary praise. Example is the band enjoyed the adulation of their fans wherever they go. So this was the last word of the vocabulary. I hope you are enjoying the videos.